In this video, I will share a little bit about the Holland America line, but I will also share the itineraries departing Australia that Australians can enjoy for the upcoming 2024-2025 summer season. My name is Julian Rembrandt. I'm Australian and have been working in the travel promotions industry for the last 20 years. I've worked for large online travel companies such as lastminute.com, booking.com, Secret Escapes, and Travelzoo. On this channel, I will share Australian travel industry updates and tricks and tips so Australians can get the best value and experience from their next holiday. There is the classic circumnavigation of Australia and the popular Holland America cruises to Tasmania and New Zealand. They are filling up fast, so it's good for you to know what's coming up for this season. Okay, let's jump right in. The Holland America line was created in the Netherlands in 1873 and was Dutch-owned up until 1989 when it was purchased by the American Carnival Cruise Line. Now, while it was purchased by an American company, it still maintains a unique Dutch heritage. During your cruise, you'll be able to experience Dutch food and participate in Dutch-themed activities. Now, Holland America cruise ships are mid-sized cruise ships, holding on average 2,000 passengers. These ships appeal to a guest that is after a more intimate experience. They are also a more traditional cruise style. They do not have the large water slides and surf simulators that perhaps Royal Caribbean offer. One thing that Australians may not know about the Holland America line is that it is a music-focused cruise line with many live shows in the evening times. They've actually created a concept called the Music Walk, which is a section of the ship that features several music venues. And the performances can be seen and heard by simply walking past, which really allows the guests to taste test the music and see what they feel like enjoying that evening. The Music Walk venues feature different themes such as classical, rock, blues, and pop. Luckily for Aussies, the Music Walk is on the Westerdam and the Zuiderdam, which will be gracing our shores for the 2024-2025 summer season. Currently, Holland America Line operate 11 ships around the world. For the Australian 2024-2025 season, the Westerdam will be making Australia home. Now, the Zuiderdam will also be making a stop on its world cruise. Allow me to share the cruises departing Australia for the 2024-2025 summer season. These are the upcoming Westerdam cruises. November 17th, the Westerdam will circumnavigate the Australian coast for 35 days. December 22nd, there's a 14-night cruise to New Zealand, including Waitangi or Bay of Islands. This area is rich in Maori culture and is the location and the signing of New Zealand's founding documents, the Treaty of Waitangi. January 5th, February 2nd and March 2nd, there will be a 14-night cruise to Melbourne, Hobart, and New Zealand. These itineraries include Taronga. In Taronga, guests can enjoy climbing Mount Maunganui, where you can experience 360-degree views from the top. February 11th, Sydney will see the arrival of the Zuiderdam. This will be a part of her Grand World Voyage. She will sail up the Queensland coast, passing Bali, Singapore, and Sri Lanka on a 42-day itinerary all the way to South Africa. On March 30th, the Westerdam will start its repositioning cruise to North America, sailing through the South Pacific and Hawaii on a 29-day itinerary to Seattle. Now, I hope you have seen that the Holland America Line is a super attractive cruise brand for Australians. They offer great value cruises with a mid-sized intimate ship experience. Now, I've really hoped you've enjoyed this video and sharing the Holland America itineraries departing Australia. If you would like to see more helpful travel updates and advice, please subscribe to our channel, Travel Tips for Australians. Thanks so much, guys.